So Fernando, when does lightning stop?
This camera's so tiny I can cover it with my hand and not get wet.
That one just went like this with the little ball.
Oh fuck! Holy shit!
That was right here.
That was right here, dude. That hit the fucking swing set. That hit the fence.
How do you know?
I saw it hit the fence.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Do we get the fuck out of here? It's gonna come, hurry, let's go.
No, this is too badass. It hit the fence.
How did it hit the fence?
Cause it's metal.
Fuck, dude. Yeah.
It hit the fence. Holy shit! Oh goddamn!
Let's get the fuck out of here. Fernando. Fernando.
What?
You wanna get the fuck out of here?
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh shit!